Hello, my name is Kiyoshi Woods. I am the chapter president here at GCIT, and we are proud to be able to host a number of competitions for SkillsUSA New Jersey.
Hi, my name is Julia Malone. I'm from Glassboro, New Jersey. I'm a senior here at GCIT, and this weekend I'm going to be competing with my partner, Alexis Fuchs. We're doing our wedding cake competition for SkillsUSA. We're really excited. This is our second year doing it, and we hope to bring home gold. Our competition is basically creating a wedding cake that's at least 3 tiers with a separation in the middle. We only have like 4 hours to do it, and we're competing against like 17 other contestants from around the state.
I'm Paige Kirby, and I'm a junior here at GCIT in the Culinary and Baking Pastry Arts program. I'll be competing in commercial baking competition. In this competition, I have a chance to go to nationals and earn a bunch of scholarships. So for my competition, I'll be baking a total of 4 items and taking a test. And the items I'll be making a cake, pot au choux, rolls, and puff pastry.
I'm Stephen Gallagher from Mullica Hill. I'm a sophomore at GCIT, and I'm going to be competing in the skills competition for cabinet making on Saturday. On Saturday, me and 10 other people are going to come in. We're going to get a plan. We have 6 hours to build what's on the plan, and I'm really excited. Hopefully I can make it to the nationals.
Hi, I'm Mr. White. I'm the building trades teacher here at Gloucester County Institute of Technology. We're excited to be a part of SkillsUSA. We've been selected as one of the host schools to host contests this year for the competitions. For construction, we have finished carpentry and cabinet making, and a lot of other leadership activities at the school. We have over 100 kids competing over the 8 days for our state, and we're looking to have a successful year.
Lots and lots of practice. I think I've been practicing since August.